What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing y'all cheap deals this week, and I wanted to show y'all a deal from the Dollar General and a deal from Walgreens, y'all, because those register rewards are rolling, meaning that's the P&G when you get the $10 back for spending 30. Yes, they are still on and popping, and it's some hot items at the Dollar General. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. And to all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. And with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here are the items that I managed to get at the Dollar General. It was a couple of items that I wanted, but the shelves were cleared. I don't see how because I mean it's the beginning of the week, but that's what goes on when you coupon. Shelves might be cleared on certain items. That's why I be telling y'all if shelves is gonna be cleared, they gonna be cleared. So you gotta get out, do your deal, whatever you gonna do right then and there. So we gonna start off with the game flings. They are $7.50. It is two coupons attaching a $2 and a $1.55. And it'll make these $3.95. And if you don't have that $1.55 coupon and you just have that $2 coupon, it's gonna make these $5.50. So hopefully y'all have the two coupons attaching because I would rather pay $3.95 than $5.50 any day, and it's on the flings, the 24 count, the ones that are $7.50. Moving on to the Gain liquid, it is $9.95. It's two coupons attaching to that as well. $3.55, making these $6.40. Or if you don't have that $1.55 coupon, it will make this $7.95. The next cheapie this week will be on the what's that, triple A Energizer batteries. It's the 8 pack. They are $8.85. We have a $4 coupon making those $4.85. And then I noticed they put another coupon which is a 50 cent, and both of them are manufacturer's coupons, meaning they will not work together. So do not clip that 50 cent coupon, as you will not be getting the most savings unless you get 2 packs. Then you can go ahead and clip both of the coupons, but just for 1 pack, they will take the smallest amount off first, and you would only be saving 50 cent off of $8.85. And I know you will be upset if you see that on your receipt. So the next item I found that was cheap is the Windex. It is $3.50. We have $1 off, making it $2.50. The Dow body wash is $4. We have $1 off, making that $3. The Glade air freshener is on sale for $2. We have $1 off, making it just $1. So this could be your filler item. If you are doing a Saturday 5 off of 25 deal, you can just throw this Glade in there if you want to be right at 25, or if you go over just a little bit, if you need that little extra, overage, throw that Glade in there for $1. Then the Clorox is $5.50. We have a dollar off again, making it $4.50. And now is the time to stock up on this bleach because Clorox is high expensive unless you want to get a knockoff brand. but I prefer Clorox, and I mean it works much better. So, it is an item that I wanted to tell y'all about that's not on the table, and that's because I couldn't find it in the store. But I will get my hands on it before this coupon expires. But it's for the Pine Sol, y'all. The Pine Sol is $4, and we have $1.25 off digital, making it just $2.75. You can never have enough cleaning products if you want to ask me, because they go so quick and you can use them for so many things. But that is the end of this week's cheap deals for Dollar General. And the next cheap deals we are going to be looking at is from Walgreens. So whatever is your jam, be it Walgreens, Dollar General, whatever, I got the deals for you. So let's check the Walgreens deals out. Okay, y'all, here are my Walgreens transactions. And we are going to get into this one with the Olay body wash. The body wash is $10.99 each, making it $32.97. We have a $5 digital, making it $27.97. Then we get back $5 register rewards and $6 on Ibotta, making the three $16.97, or $5.65 each. The Crest right here is two for $5. So that's $10. Then we have a $3 digital, making them $7. They give us $5 register rewards back, and $4 on Ibotta, making them free, and a $2 money maker. So the total was $42.97. And after coupons, and I used a $10 register reward and a $4 register reward to pay down some of the balance as well. I got back $10 on Ibotta, $7 Walgreens cash, and $20 register rewards, making these items free. And I did get the $10 PNG coupon back with these. So I guess they are working on the Olay body washes and the Crest, the premium toothpastes. So keep that in mind when you are doing a PNG deal. It's not only working on the toilet paper, the Bounty, or the laundry detergent. Is working on the the body washes as well. And it would have been even better if I was able to get the 3 lotions like that, because it would have been the 25, if you spend 25 on beauty products, they give you back $10 as well. But my store didn't have the lotion, so I had to get the body wash. But be on the lookout for the lotions like these. And if you find them, you hit the jackpot. You want to get 3 of those instead of the body washes. And then grab you 2 of the $5 Crest. Then moving on to the next transaction, the Olay lotion was is buy one get one 50% off. So one was $11.99, one was $5.99, making them $17.98. They gave me $1 off, making them $16.98. The Head and Shoulders is $6 each, making those $12. We have a $3 digital, making them $9. Get back a $5 register reward, making them $4 or $2 each. Then on the Garnier, I didn't want to get the shampoo or conditioner, so I got the anti-humidity. I guess it's supposed to keep your hair from frizzing up and stuff when it's humid outside. But they are 2 for $8. We have a $3 digital, making them $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making these $1 or 50 cents each. So the total was $37.98 after coupons. And I didn't use no register reward, no Walgreens cash for this transaction or nothing. I paid $27.98 and got back $9 register rewards, making these items making a total $18.98 or $3.16 for each item. So, y'all, I got those items down low, and I will be inserting a picture in of the register rewards that I got back from these transactions. And then on the first, on this that I showed y'all, see, I got back $7 because at first I only had 44 cents, and then the ending transaction is saying earn this visit 742. So the closing balance was $7.86 that I got back for those products. And I'm gonna show y'all one more transaction at Walgreens. Okay, y'all, here is the other transaction I did at Walgreens. The Tide Pods were $12.99 with a $3 off, making them $9.99. The Tide Liquid was also $12.99 with a $3 off, making it $9.99. The Downy beads were $12.99 with a $3 off, making it $9.99. And the Charmin 6 equals 24 rows were $11.99 with a dollar off, making it $10.99. And for this transaction, y'all, I was working with a new account and none of my coupons came off. And at that point, I was tired of dealing with a certain cashier at Walgreens because she had an attitude, and I just didn't feel like dealing with her. So I just went on and used a $10 register. The total was $41.96 for these items, and I used a $10 and a $5 register rewards, dropping the total to $35.96. And I paid that and got back $10 register rewards, making the final cost for these items $25.96 or $6.49 each. And yeah, y'all, I don't know why cashiers try to be mad when you couponing and stuff, but technically I really don't care. I give two flying FUCKS because I am going to use my coupons, and that's saving me money, and can't nobody tell me how to shop. But when your face is all scrunched up and you looking silly, I just don't got time to deal with that. But yeah, y'all, that is the end of the video. Those are the cheap deals that I did this week that you could do too, or switch it up. You might, instead of getting these, you can get the other type of pies. Instead of getting this, you can get the regular Tide. You can get the red Charmin. You can probably get the game beads or whatever the case may be, and still get your your $10 PNG back. And yeah, y'all, and then y'all seen the dollar general items, so keep those in mind as well. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out. I would hate for you to miss out. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will never disappoint. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.